Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys, I'll be explaining to you guys about the new Frozen Ice King weather. So basically, when the weather starts, it gives a sub-zero mutation to your plants. And there's also these 5 platforms in which you need to submit fruits. On the platform, you must submit a fruit of Rarity Divine or higher though, to get the seed. Once you have freed the Ice King, as you can see, you you will get the Frostspike Seed, as you can see right there. But that is it for this video. That is how you can get the seed and how you can free the Ice King and get the Sub-Zero mutation as well. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!